Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super common Mac question: how to add and remove apps from your dock. I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to customize your dock to fit your needs. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Also, keep in mind this is based on my personal experience, and any links I mention will be down in the description below. Let's get started. Method 1. From the Applications folder. First up, adding apps from your Applications folder. Head up to Go in the top menu bar, and select Applications. This opens your Applications folder. Now, find the app you want to add. For this example, let's use Google Chrome. Simply drag and drop the Chrome icon from the folder directly into your dock. I'm going to add it to the end. You can then close the Applications folder and launch Chrome right from your dock. Now if you want Chrome or any app to stay in the dock even after you quit it, make sure the app is running. Then, right-click on its icon in the dock, go to Options, and make sure Keep in Dock is selected. Now, even after you quit, it will be there waiting for you. Method 2. Using Launchpad. The second method uses Launchpad. Usually, you'll find the Launchpad icon in your dock by default. If not, use Spotlight Search to find it. Once Launchpad is open, locate the app you want. Again, let's use Chrome. Just like before, drag and drop the Chrome icon from Launchpad into your dock. Now you can exit Launchpad, and the app is ready to launch from the dock. Method 3. Via Spotlight Search. Finally, let's use Spotlight Search. Usually, you'll find the Spotlight Search icon, a magnifying glass, in the top right corner of your screen. However, sometimes it's hidden, like mine is right now. No problem. Just use the keyboard shortcut, Command plus Spacebar.
Spotlight Search will pop up.
Type in the name of the app you want, Chrome of course. Once it appears, drag the Chrome icon directly from the Spotlight Search results into your dock. And there you have it. Launch it as usual. Removing apps from the dock. Okay, so you've added apps. Now, how do you get rid of them? Method 1. The right-click menu. The first way is the right-click menu. Right-click on the app icon you want to remove. If the app is open, select Quit. Once it's closed, right-click again. This time, hover over Options, and then select Remove from Dock. Poof! It's gone.
Astérisque astérisque méthode 2, drag and drop astérisque astérisque.
The second way to remove an app is by dragging it out of the dock. Again, right-click the app icon and choose Quit if it's running. Then, simply click and drag the icon out of the dock. When you release the mouse button, the icon disappears in a puff of smoke. And that's all there is to it. 3 ways to add and 2 ways to remove apps from your Mac dock. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.